From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
Hey folks, good evening. Hope you've had a nice weekend so far. Today definitely was the more unsettled day of the weekend. Compared to yesterday especially, we had those sort of scattered storms, especially in southern Middle Tennessee, Lawrenceburg. We got a couple of rounds of rain over the last few hours, but we'll be drying out through tonight. Temperatures in the lower 70s for lows, a little bit humid out there, but otherwise I think we're doing just fine. We'll call it around 90 to 93 across the Tennessee Valley for tomorrow. Second half of the day, though, we do pick those scattered and maybe isolated thunderstorm chances up once again. Like, not totally a washout or anything like that. We're not seeing indications of that over the next several days. However, each day does hold some amount of rain chances, some higher, some lower, isolated to scattered through the work week. So we will maybe need to keep that umbrella on hand. Would I necessarily cancel my outdoor plans or day plans through the week? Well, maybe not exactly. However, I would definitely have a radar on hand. That way, if I am outside, I can go ahead, check the phone, see if there's a storm nearby. And definitely, if I hear thunder, I'm going inside, maybe doing it tomorrow or the next day, or just waiting till it passes. Because in the summer, you know how it is. We get those pop-up storms that are kind of unpredictable in the sense of exactly where they are. That's what we're seeing for the next 7 days. So isolated to scattered thunderstorms will be the story. Current indications point to maybe even next weekend as well. Temperatures will be in the lower 90s, probably peaking around the midweek. Thanks for joining me this weekend, folks. So glad I could help you out with your forecast. Of course, I'll be back with you next week, starting on Thursday and Friday for your forecasting space, and of course, next weekend for your forecasts.